Have you ever wondered how soft white bread is made inside a factory?
Today, we take you inside a modern white bread production facility.
Where technology, precision, and hygiene work together. Where technology, precision, and hygiene work together. Let's begin the journey from raw ingredients to fresh bread. This is how white bread is made. The process starts with high-quality refined wheat flour. Purified water is carefully measured. Yeast is added to help the dough rise. Sugar and salt enhance flavor and texture. Oil gives the bread its soft and tender crumb. Every ingredient is precisely controlled.
Now mixing begins.
The dough is mixed at high speed.
This develops gluten, giving bread its structure.
Mixing time is strictly monitored.
The texture must be smooth and elastic.
Once ready, the dough moves to fermentation. The journey continues. The journey continues.
The dough rests in a warm environment.
Yeast produces gas, making the dough rise.
Conditions are carefully controlled.
This step adds flavor and softness.
Fermentation is complete.
Now it is time to shape the bread.
The dough is divided into equal portions.
Every loaf must be the same size. The dough is shaped smoothly.
This creates the classic white bread form.
Uniformity is key.
Pans are prepared for baking.
The dough is placed into baking tins.
Ready for final proofing.
The dough rises one last time.
This ensures maximum softness.
The loaf reaches its final size.
Perfect timing is essential.
The bread is ready to bake. Into the oven it goes.
The baking process begins.
High temperatures cook the dough evenly.
The aroma fills the factory.
This locks in moisture and flavor.
The loaf reaches perfection.
Freshly baked white bread emerges.
Hot, soft, and ready to cool.
The bread must cool before slicing.
This prevents moisture buildup.
Consistency is maintained.
Now, slicing begins. Each slice is uniform.
Soft and fluffy inside.
Ready for packaging.
Quality checks ensure perfection. Only the best loaves continue.
Freshness guaranteed.
The bread is packed immediately.
This keeps it fresh longer.
Packaging includes important information.
Production and expiry dates are added. Ready for distribution.
Final inspection is done.
The bread is prepared for delivery.
From factory to store shelves.
Fresh white bread reaches your home.
Thanks for watching how white bread is made.